Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the RSI3M3 indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the RSI3M3 indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 40 different strategies, with 12 of them being winners. We have also tested a total of 474 indicators, with 193 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. Keep in mind that we test all these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market pretty much universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the RSI3M3 indicator. And you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. And the setup on this is relatively easy. So when we get an arrow here, a red arrow above, then we are going to go short. When we get a green arrow down below, then we are going to go long. And so not much to it other than that. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get. Alright, so our first signal you can see right here was a long signal. We got a green arrow below pointing up, and price action went up a little bit right here. Was able to just kind of barely squeeze out take profit before it rolls over here, coming down, and then we pick up a short signal, red arrow to the downside pointing down. Right there as we enter in, price action starts to rebound to the upside and comes up and hits the stop. And so let's go ahead and continue on. All right, so right here we pick up a long signal. Price action comes up just a little bit, but not quite enough to hit our take profit before it rolls over here and starts to push its way down. And as that happens, we pick up another long signal right here. Price action pushes down, and I took a little bit just to make sure right there. The measurement tool there, or the ruler tool, was showing it right at 135, which is our stop. But after adding up the, let's see here, just double check one last time. Was 823. Yeah, it does come down and hits our stop right there. Actually did it off the close. It calculated the close, that one, and then the low point of this one. Comes down and hit our stop by just one lonely pip there. And so all right, what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward the testing. That way things don't get too long, and then we'll pick this up when we're at the end of the year. All right, so that is going to put us at the end of the year right there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay and some of the regular members post regular market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly where they're entering trades, exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested, which we've actually transferred over into an Excel sheet as well. So you'll get the Excel sheet and the PDF file of all the indicators, showing exactly which ones were winners, which ones are losers, as well as their win rates. You'll also get access to the Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. And that shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones are losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those videos. Our admin Rob is posting regular scanner alerts to the channel. These are crypto and forex scanners, his own personal scanners that he uses to be a profitable trader. As he gets an alert to the scanner, he'll post it in the channel for all the patrons to see and take advantage of those trading opportunities. And another new thing that we've been doing here recently is one of our other members has put together an amazing team of traders, coders, and developers, and they've created a full suite of optimized profitable indicators that they are giving away to all the patrons absolutely free. And they are actually working on turning those into trading bots, and once they have that done, they'll be offering it to all the patrons as well. And so there is a ton of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. All right, so let's go ahead and get everything in focus here with our indicator. There we go. Count these out and see what we get. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and 31. So we have 31 trades altogether. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16 winning trades. And so that barely misses the 60% criteria. All in all, it wasn't a horrible indicator. It's a shame it wasn't able to squeeze out just a few more wins to cross over that 60% barrier that we are looking for. It was a little twitchy, a little bit fast, that it would every little bitty pullback of the market in either direction, it seemed like it was throwing a signal to go in that direction, and so that's just sped up just a little bit. 31 trades is a really decent amount of trades within a 1 year's time. It's almost hinging on being an over trader, and so I guess it's not a huge surprise that it wasn't able to meet that 60% criteria. But all in all, I felt like it was doing reasonably well if you had the ability to tweak the settings and maybe filter out some of those losing trades. And so, but nonetheless, for now, it will have to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.